Hello everyone, my name is Joanne Chu, and welcome to this presentation. I'd like to start with a scenario. Imagine that you are a pullet, which is a young hen. You are placed in a floor pen containing a wide space with resources. Now the question is, would increasing light intensity increase your activity and navigation in the environment, or would it increase aggression, fear, and stress levels? And that's exactly what this research aimed to answer. Alternative housing systems are used more commonly nowadays. They provide more freedom to express natural behaviors. For these housing systems to be utilized to their fullest potential, the birds must be able to see well so they can navigate their environment successfully. One method to support this is manipulating light intensity to help with vision. Currently, the table egg industry in Canada requires light intensity of minimum 10 lux for birds reared in alternative housing, but we wonder whether brighter lighting can help with better navigation. So, this study aimed to understand the effects of light intensity on pullet behavior, navigation, and welfare using two different types of egg-strain birds. It was hypothesized that at higher light intensity, activity, aggression, successful jumps, stress, and fear response would increase, and that the two strains used in the study will react to their environment differently. In this experiment, a 3x2 factorial arrangement was designed to test three light intensities, which were 10, 30, or 50 lux, and two strains, which were the brown-feathered Lohmann brown light or the white-feathered Lohmann LSL light. Light-tight rooms were used, and each room contained 6 floor pens. The rooms themselves were randomly assigned to a light intensity treatment, and each floor pen was randomly assigned a strain. Each pen contained a perching system, a ramp, 2 feeder bins, and a drinker line. The pullets were reared from 0 to 16 weeks of age. 4 times throughout the study, pullets were video recorded with infrared cameras mounted on the ceilings. Behavior was analyzed via instantaneous scan sampling at 20-minute intervals during light periods and continuous sampling for 24 hours for successful and failed jumps between resources in the pen. At 15 weeks of age, pullet fear and stress responses were assessed with a novel object test and blood heterophil to lymphocyte ratios, respectively. A total of 2 trials were done and blocked in a randomized complete block design. The effect of light intensity, strain, and their interactions were analyzed. Significance was declared when the p-value was less than 0.05. For the sake of time, I will talk specifically about relevant behaviors with results. Here, I have the effect of light intensity on walking, preening, and wall pecking behaviors across weeks. At 8 weeks of age, 50 lux pullets performed more walking than 10 lux pullets. At 13 and 16 weeks, 50 lux pullets performed more preening than those in 10 lux, whereas 10 lux pullets pecked at walls more than those in 50 lux. When we look at jumping frequency, at 4 weeks of age, 50 lux pullets jumped upwards from the floor to the ramp more than 10 lux pullets, and 30 lux pullets jumped across perches more than pullets under 10 lux. This suggests that higher light intensity may be beneficial during early pullet life. Here is the effect of strain on resting, preening, and litter pecking. Across all recording periods, white pullets spent more time resting and preening than brown pullets, whereas brown pullets spent more time pecking at the litter than white pullets. White pullets also performed more jumps around the environment than brown pullets. For welfare parameters, light intensity did not affect fear or stress responses, whereas brown pullets scored higher at the fear and stress assessment than white pullets. So, what does this all mean? In other words, what happens if you are a pullet placed into a floor pen? According to the results of this study, if you are a brown-feathered pullet, you would perform more exploratory behaviors. If you are a white-feathered pullet, you would perform more resting and preening behaviors. You would also jump between resources in the environment more. With regards to light intensity, having 10 lux in the environment won't result in increased failed landings. However, if light intensity were higher at 30 or 50 lux, you would increase jumping at 4 weeks of age. At 8 weeks, you would walk more. At 13 weeks, you would spend less time exploring and more time performing comfort behaviors such as preening. And all this would not result in increased fear and stress within your flock. And there you go, there you have it. Thank you for your time and attention, and thank you to the funders as well. Feel free to ask questions or check out the poster provided for more information. Thank you.